How to allow or block cellular data usage for certain apps on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Cellular. And in the Cellular page, we scroll down. And in here, tap on the Show All button in the Cellular Data section. In here, it will display a list of apps that have access to cellular data usage. So in here, you can go through the list and choose whether you want to allow or block the app from using your cellular data. So for example, TV and music, if you do not want it to allow it to use cellular data, you can simply tap on the toggle button to switch it off. As well as any other app that you want to block, you can turn it off. And for any apps that you want to have it on, you can leave it stay on. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to turn it back on. And that's it. So that is how you can allow or block certain apps from using cellular data. And after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.